Hey everybody, so today we got the Lilygo T-embed cc1101 and we're going to be turning it into the Plus. And we're also going to show you how to put on these other external antennas. We're going to start by removing the back and the battery from the device. And then we're going to carefully pop out the screen by pushing right along the edges and then pulling the screen out very carefully. Then we're also going to go and detach the speaker. There we go. And then this cable right here is for the RF sensor. We're going to pop that one off. Then this one over here is going to be for your Wi-Fi. And this one is the one that I had to install for the cc1101, so that is coming off. Now yours is going to have an adhesive right here. That antenna you're going to pull out, that's for your cc1101, and that's where you're going to drill in 2 holes right here. One so you could stick on your IPEX antenna for your Wi-Fi, and the other for the cc1101. And while you're at it, you might as well drill the other hole for the NRF24 as well. Okay, so we're gonna take our CE pin, and that's gonna go right here on the 4th one down. Alright, now we need the CSN onto the next block down. So now we're going to be moving down to the bottom pins. So our first one is going to be our VCC, and that's going to go all the way over here to the left. And our next pin is going to be our ground. And our next pin down is going to be our MOSI. Alright, so our next one is going to be our MISO. And then our last one is going to be our last cord, which is the SCK. And that one is too long, so we're going to have to clip that real quick. Looks like I need a little bit more solder. Alright, so looks like we are good. Okay, so now let's put everything back together. So this is our Wi-Fi antenna that's gonna go here. Then we have our, what is this one? This one's going to be our NRF24. So that one's going to go here. the RF. That one's gonna go back down on the bottom one. And then our CC11 is gonna go here. Alright, so now that we have that attached, next we're gonna do our speaker, and now we snap it all back together. Okay, so now that all the wires are out the way, we just snap it back into place. And then we go and get our battery. And then have a hard time plugging this in. Okay, so now that we got the battery in. Okay, so now we got the battery in. Let's go ahead and put this antenna on. And we got it going, guys. Look at that. Alright, so now you know how to do it. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe. Remember, privacy is currency.